Rum. Oh well, I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can do it with my fingers. Son of a bitch. But anyway, no OSD. I've been messing with beta flight. Flywoo Flytimes, 85. I don't put these too tight, so I think I can do it with my fingers. I only have to do... I got this. Damn, I'm in a world of shit. I gotta organize them. Anyway, got the new one here. Just gonna activate it. My mother's making me a sandwich. She thinks I care about food. I gotta get this Flywoo Flytimes 85 hooked up to this shit real quick. Let's see if I can do it. These nuts. I do got a magnetic tray, but sometimes I don't like using it. I should though. Okay, it's nice. They give me a little protective lens and a 3-in-1, a 4-in-1, whatever they call it. So I got one nut there, one nut out. With my fingers. Oh no. So really finger tight. I gotta go to work too, so I'm kind of in a hurry. I got another drone I can fly. I just like to fly. Gets my mind off other stuff. I guess that's why an outlet for me, like fighting or wrestling or video games. But it's definitely fun. Alright, so I got those off. Let's see if I can, what's next? Alright, the plug is right there. I don't want to screw it up. Let's slow. Oh, there's one more. 4 nuts. Okay, that was nice. Alright, we got grommets on each of them. There's the DJI antenna. I'm just gonna keep the same one on there. Comes with one. But I'm not particular like that, at least not yet. Alright, then it looks like that's the ELRS antenna down there. Comes up. It's nice, the T. I like it. Anyway. I do not see any damage on this side of the DJI, except for it might be slightly bent in there. I know my other one has no OSD, and it's bent right there. But I mean, I'm a newbie, so what do I know? I can only keep experimenting. I do ask a lot of questions from a lot of people, but I do lose track of what I'm doing. I'll admit it. I'm all over the place. Bada bing, bada boom. So, I'm going to undo this antenna with my finger. And I'm going to take the... Slowly comes off. The grommets are on it. I'm going to take this plug out. Hopefully with my fingers. That plug is out. Antenna's out the way. Oh shit. Then I got the damn camera itself. Damn it. Well shit. I think I'd have a better chance on... I could undo that. But it is a little glue. I guess it's easier just to switch up this whole damn thing. Excuse my language. Didn't come with the screws though. So the camera's gotta come out. How does it come out? No screws. Alright, I see a screw. Take that out. Just trying to figure out how am I gonna know. Wow, looks like I got 2 of them. Oh, DJI hooked me up, and I was bitching to him. Let's see what else is in here. Oh shit. 1, 2. Damn it. I hope I didn't lose grommet. I think I lost 3 grommets. I only got 1 in the package and must have lost them. 2 grommets, 3 grommets, 3 screws, 4 screws. Alright. So we're gonna take this antenna off. Hate doing it, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put these grommets right on inside here. Let me see. So if the H is up here, the big side of the grommet, has to go on the bottom. H up. Just make sure it doesn't have to be exactly sure, but I just kind of squeeze them in like that. I act like I've done this before. Grommet upside down. I hope I'm not ruining these when I put them in like that. That. Big side down. But yeah, it cost me about $100 for this. Well, it looks like they replaced the whole damn thing, which is fine by me. I just wish when I bought my drone, I'd known who covered the warranty. I wish the people I spoke with were a little bit more clear about it, but maybe I wasn't. I never am either. Here's the other grommet. Alright, big side down from the H. Make sure they're all in there nice, okay. Not the same setup here, so I want orientation like so. This one has white grommets, this one has black. Not that it matters. That's what they say. I'm gonna take this off. Hope those screws don't come out. Put that over there. Yeah, I do not see anything wrong with that. So it could be the... Well, we'll see when I put this in. I don't know shit. Alright, orientation the same. I'm going to pop it on. Make sure this antenna's out the way. I do like those grommets, I guess. Good to have extra ones because they're so damn small. Alright, got all the screws in there. That's in there. I'm gonna plug this shit in. Right here. This is gonna go back right here. This is gonna go back on here. Like so. All that's hooked up. Pop this back on. Yeah, I still gotta fix my Hummingbird V3.1. It's almost better if I ordered with the V4 board in there anyway. Get more range. But it's cheaper to do that, and I'm just trying to figure it out.
Nothing.
That's nothing, mother. Thank you. What you got? Yeah, big. Alright, back to it. Had a snake break. Alright, thank you.
Did you hear me?
Yeah, so you really only need it finger tight.
You're going to work tomorrow?
Alright, so I got those in. 4 screws. It's plugged in. Everything's good. Put this camera back in. I don't know what this God-given lens. I don't think that's supposed to be there. This will do. I just don't know. Flywoo on top. Make sure the H is on the bottom. Flywoo on top. Hopefully it just snaps right in. Oh wow. Just fits nice. Alright. Cool, cool. I'm gonna slip it back in here. Make sure Flywoo's on top. I'm gonna pop these screws in. If I can get it in there straight. Shit. Houston, I think it'd be easier if I do it like this. Yes. Yes and no. This is gonna be tough. Yeah, so I gotta work on it a while, so let's hope I have this done. I guess you can say I've been kind of lazy. Not lazy, just in pain. I don't know. It's all good. Drones are awesome. That's all I know. I probably don't want to tighten it too much until you know it's lined up with the other one. Flywoo's on top. That H looks regular, but H upside down. I guess we put this look the same. Alright, so it's easier just to put this on the end here. Guess I pick my angle, probably like that. Yeah, a little more like that. I won't put it too tight because I have to change the angle actually. But that's cool. Got that together. Put that aside. What the heck is that? Probably not a good idea to keep that there, but it looks cool. Yeah, let's see. I gotta activate it. I do not know where my data cable is, but